Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should open the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with a new one to show you how you can do that to have a little bit more space here. And now just to add the widget, you should with your two fingers together at the same time slide to the center them. And here then you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap here once, and now you can see here all the available widgets that you can add to your device home screen. And for example, we can go with the clock one. Here you can see that we got here the three different types of this widget. We got the regular clock, the digital, and the dual clocks. For example, we'll go with the regular one. Just hold for a while and drag it to the position where you want to add the widget. For example, here. Now you can see here this widget. We can move this widget here on the screen, for example, here. Also, we can move the widget between the screens. Also, we can create the new screen with the widget. And if you wanna add here, for example, one more widget, by the same way, slide with your two fingers, go to the widget section, and here, for example, we can add the calendar schedule. Click here once on those widget, and now, okay, this widget can be here also. I just want to show that we can change the size of the widget by this way. We can make it smaller or bigger, but here we have a lot of space to do that. So you can see that's really simple. And just to remove the widget, hold it for a while and click here to remove, confirm by click to remove. And by the same way we can add here we can remove all of these widgets if you want. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.